Okay, so basically we switch on the equipment. In this moment we have only connected a resistor and a capacitor in parallel. We already have the USB pen drive in the right plug. You can see this is the display section. It is currently in a 1 volt signal test for perturbation 1 kilohertz. We are looking at CP and D, and we have auto range, 0 DC bias, and measurement time as medium. If we were to measurement setup, we can change the configuration. We want to look to more, and here impedance and phase shift in degrees. Okay, and then we are going to apply only 27 millivolts perturbation in this measurement, and we want a long measurement time, and also we want let's apply 100 millivolts, right? At this point we can go back. We can also go for manual trigger. Okay, so display format. Now we are going to measure every time we hit here the trigger button, and in order to apply a DC bias that we are talking about, we hit the DC bias button, and then we have the LED here in on position. So the next step will be for us to check the list. If we come here, measurement setup, list setup, and we go below, here we will set 20 hertz, and then we go to next page, and in 36 we go with 2 mega ohms. Next step is to fill everything with lock. Okay, so once we have that, we can go to trigger, display format, list sweep. If we go to trigger, now we are measuring. Okay, so we know that the measurement is theoretically working. We have applied a DC bias, which is 100 millivolts in this configuration, right? And then what we want to do is to save this into the pen drive. For that, we save data, start lock. This means that everything which is going to happen in the next step is going to be safe. So we trigger. Now all of this measurement is supposed to be saved in the internal memory. And once we finish, we go to save data. Here we need to external, and then save data, save and stop. And theoretically you can see here that a CSV file is supposed to be stored in the pen drive at this point. So I'm going to finish this at this moment.